you enter the palace, along with the values, you need to understand certain mysteries of the kingdom. Certain mysteries of the kingdom.
लेकिन उस राजमहल में जाने से पहले आपको कुछ रहस्य जानने हैं।
Let's read Matthew 13 verse 11.
मत्ती 13:11 पढ़ेंगे हम।
Yes.
उसने उत्तर दिया, तुमको स्वर्ग के राज्य के भेदों की समझ दी गई है, पर उनको नहीं।
He replied, because the knowledge of the secrets of the kingdom of heaven has been given to you, but not them. What is the Lord trying to say? The secret knowledge of the kingdom has been given to you and not them. That means you have the keys which the world does not have. You have the keys which the world does not have.
और यहाँ पे परमेश्वर कह रहा है कि ये रहस्य हमें दिए गए हैं, दुनिया को नहीं। इसलिए वो जो गुप्त चाबियां हैं वो हमें मिली है, दुनिया को नहीं।
Now I want you to understand this. It might be it's a little deep, but I want you to understand this because this is not any which ways our level where we will just be taking things from the surface. No, we are diving deep. So I want you to understand this. Now by default, every man's life has a disadvantage. Again, by default, every man's life has a disadvantage.
और साधारण रीति से ही हर एक मनुष्य का जो जीवन है उसमें कोई ना कोई कमी है।
Now, it's on you. You have to add advantages in the system as you go through life.
और जैसे आप आपका जीवन जीते हो उस तरह से आपको हर एक जो जरूरतें हैं या तो फिर आशीष है वो आपको जोड़नी है।
You have to introduce the system of advantage in your life as you go through life.
और जो प्रगति या तो फिर अच्छाई का जो सिस्टम होता है उसको आपको जोड़ना है।
So the first advantage being salvation.
और पहला ये है कि आपका तारण।
So for example, you just for example, okay, if I take myself, that if I come from a family where there is no advantage, okay, for instance, I've come from a family where I had no advantage, but what has happened is that when I started walking my life, when I started working my life, walking through it and working through it, what happened? I started introducing advantages in my life. I started introducing the system of advantage. First being salvation, because that is only where your actual life of advantage begins. Salvation is where the actual life of advantage begins. So when I understood salvation, I took salvation and I introduced it in my life. Then what happened? Salvation started working its advantage in my life. Before that, my life was disadvantaged. Neither were my family believers. Nobody knew Christ. People were living in sin. We were doing idol worship. Nobody. But what happened when salvation was introduced in my life? Salvation started working. Then I started introducing certain things. Then the Lord taught us about how to introduce virtues. That how to introduce the character of Christ. How to introduce financial prosperity. What happens is that this is a system which God, it doesn't mean, listen now, you can't be in such a mind frame that's called foolishness. If you're going to say, oh now I'm saved, abhi mere saath everything is going to be fine because Jesus is in my life. No, Jesus is in your life, but it's on you. You got to introduce the system of advantages. You have to bring them into your life. Are you understanding? If your father could not be successful, if your grandfather could not be a successful man at the age of might be 30 or 35, but because you have introduced the system of advantage in your life, you are successful at the age of 30 and 35. Are you understanding? If your family, there are men who didn't work until the age of 50, who started earning at the age of 50, but because you have introduced the system of advantages, because you have aligned yourself with God, what has happened? You have broken the barriers and you have started to earn at the age of 30, at the age of 25. Are you understanding? So we have to introduce the systems of advantage in our own lives.
हमें वो जो फायदे हैं उसकी कार्यशाला हमारे जीवन में उसको चलना देनी है, क्योंकि जब हम तारण प्राप्त करते हैं तो सिर्फ हम उठाकर तारण हमारे जीवन में उसकी पहचान नहीं कराते, बल्कि उसके साथ जुड़ी जो प्रगति है, जो उन्नति है, उसका भी हम पहचान करा देते हैं। क्योंकि जब हमारा तारण होता है तो सिर्फ ये नहीं कि मेरे जीवन में अब कुछ बुरा नहीं होगा क्योंकि अभी यीशु मसीह मेरे जीवन में है, नहीं, बल्कि हम एक एक उठाकर वो फायदे समेटने लगते हैं और उसकी कार्यशाला हम चालू कर देते हैं।
So many people come, listen to the word and go back. Their life is not going to be advantageous, because when my salvation happens, it becomes my responsibility to take the word of God and begin to apply the advantages in my life, begin to start correcting the errors. That's the time my life is going to keep moving forward.
और जब हम तारण प्राप्त करते हैं तब हम जो ये फायदे हैं इन्हें बटोरने लगते हैं। लेकिन बहुत सारे मसीह हैं जो ऐसा नहीं कर पाते और हमें ये त्रुटियां निकालनी है, ये कमियां निकालनी है कि हम कहाँ गलत जा रहे हैं।